Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So here's another short video for another item I found on Temu that goes into your washroom and helps with your everyday living. So this over here, the box is kind of covered with stickers, and it's unfortunate because I want to show you guys what it looked like, but this is called the X131. This is a single automatic toothbrush sterilizer, and they do have doubles and versions where you can put 4 toothbrushes in them. So what it does is it opens up, it lets you put the toothbrush in it, and once it closes, then you get the UV light that starts flashing, and then that will obviously kill the germs and stuff that's on the toothbrush. So inside the box you get like this little manual here. There's not much in there. Then you get these two. So this is for easy installation. This is like a double-sided sticky, and you stick it onto this piece, which is like the bracket, and then this bracket you can put this piece on here. And when you need to charge it, you just kind of pull it off, take it off, charge it, and put it back on. So the device itself looks very simple. There's the brackets on the back where you connect it to that other piece. And here in the corner, it has one USB-C slot. And then the way this works is, this is the power button, but if you wave your hand, you see it just kind of moves by itself. You put the toothbrush in here, so you're going to put it with the bristles facing up, and it'll make a sound. I know it's hard to tell here, maybe when I install it you'll see it, but there's these little teeth on both sides that'll hold the toothbrush in place. And then once you wave again, it'll close. And then you probably can't see it, but there's a UV light in there. Let me turn off the lights here. There's a blue UV light on the inside that's meant to kill those germs. So let's install it. It's pretty simple, and see if it works. Okay, so here's the piece. It has a double-sided sticky on there. Now it does come with 2 holes in case you want to screw it on here as well, just to make it stronger. I'm going to leave it on there with just the sticky for now. Okay, and there it is installed. So again, very easy. I can just lift, and when I'm done charging, you just slide it back on here onto those little grid lines, and there you go. So the way this works is if you wave your hand in front, it opens automatically. Now here's my toothbrush. Now again, bristles out. You should hear the click now. And it holds the toothbrush. And now if I wave my hand in front again, it closes. And then you get a timer. Oh, I went too close. So you get that timer when it closes, and that timer is just a countdown for how long that UV light's going to be on. And when it's at 0, then the light will go off. But pretty neat. Like I said, there are some that have like 2 that come down, some that have 4. And you know, if it does help with the cleaning of the brushes, why not? It's not too expensive. I'm going to link it down in the description in case you guys want to get a version for yourself. I normally don't talk about the prices because the prices vary so much. But yeah, take a look. It's an awesome little product. So that brings us to the end of this video, guys. I hope it was informative and you guys like what you saw. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.